where you get off Interstate 8, and you can camp right there. And I almost certainly run a shuttle from the casino to Algodones, so you don't even have to drive 100 yards into Mexico to get everything you need, and then you can walk in, you can walk out. Really easy, really fast.
Just left the main RTR seminar. Of course, we got ahead of everybody. It's still going on. But these are just all the rigs that are down here. Military rig setups.
So that's Jamie. Jamie's rig right there.
Oh, okay. There's Jamie's. Okay.
Yeah. So he's not there right now. Or, yeah, he's working on something. And this rig, somebody did a video on it. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's actually Eric did one on it too.
Okay.
And so did Jed.
Yeah.
Into the Mystery.
Very cool.
Here's Aja's Pandemonium rig. There's Nomadic Fanatics. There's a van pulling a trailer. Man, light. I'm walking around after this morning's seminar, and I'm sort of at the back side of the RTR in the red music section. And there's still a lot of vans here, but it is thinning out. It's pretty neat. Here you go, C-Dub. This is what you need. Mindful camp. Guess all these people back here are mindful. Okay. Steampunk Steve TV. This is a Polaris, or Bolus, a Road Chief Serenity. The door is in the front, and you walk down the inside. And there's Frugal coming out. It's very nice inside. There's the view inside. There's a drone right there, taking pictures. And there's the drone controller. Anyway, without using a drone, welcome to the RTR. These are how many vans and RVs and people that are here for the RTR in 2018. But they go all the way out there. Estimates of attendance is anywhere from 3,000 to 4,000. It's hard to tell because some people came Thursday and Friday and left Monday. Today's Thursday and more people are pulling in, and I guess they'll be here for the weekend. Saturday is the Big Ten event.
That's the TheDanVan right here.
Oh,
that's me over there.
We're sorry you're going away. We wish that you could stay. Our prayers will be with you, our tears will be of you. We're sorry you're going away. Lola's having to leave us. Dag nabbit, Papina.
Don't want it. Sure was fun. So much fun.
Packing up her chair.
Yeah.
Gonna put it in the bakkie and drive away.
LOLA.
Yeah.
Give Jesse hugs from all of us.
All right, we'll do.
know.
Keep hugging her.
Have a
Yeah.
blast.
Do you want to Sammy and
She
lick
said,
her
Mom,
face?
you got weird friends.
I'm gonna lick Jesse's face and say that's from Sammy.
I love it. I want video.
Thank you for letting me hang with you.
No, thank you for hanging with us. This has been such an honor. Hugs, Dan.
Okay.
We'll see you till February.
Yes. Drive safe. Be safe. Tell your daughter hello and
All
take
right.
care.
Have fun.
Now y'all have fun out here for the rest of your time and keep it
Dang nabbit, she's going.
daylight through that now. Bye.
And now the van won't start.
I'm back.
The van won't start. Oh my.
Oh, that's so funny. More time.
We got the van started.
Yay. Thank you guys. Thanks for XC Dad. Bye, Vivian. Bye, Dan.
Goodbye. So long, Lola.
See y'all down the road.
We're sorry you're going away.
We'll see you in February.
Toodles. Yeah, Lola's leaving camp. Dag nabbit. There she goes.